Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we are going to talk about how you can create a list of e-commerce companies using Clay and store leads. So let's get started. So if you're a company targeting e-commerce brands, you are selling software products to them or you are selling services to them, this video is perfect for you because you can use this as your reference. With this approach that I'm about to share with you, we were able to generate a couple of meetings for this specific client. So here are some examples. So for you to be able to get some meetings too, you might want to try this approach. In this Clay table, you're gonna see that I pulled up the list of companies using store leads. So they integrate natively with Clay. And in the cell details, you're gonna see a lot of information, like tons of information that you can use for your email personalization. So some examples are the number of products that they have, how many website visits do they have, what's the average price of their product in US dollars. So you can get all this information from store leads, and the best part is, again, you can use this to personalize your emails. And then you're gonna notice here that I'm displaying the product count, visits, conversion, because I'm using this for my cold email personalization. And then these are other information, company name, domain, okay. And then what I've done here is that after building the list and displaying all the information that I want to use for personalization, what I've done next is that I've used Apollo to find people at company. So these are the people that we would like to target for this specific services that my client is offering. So these are the titles and these are the domains, and I've limited the contacts to 4 because we don't want to target a lot of people in their organization. Also, another cool thing that I wanted to share with you is that I've used a tool called AdIntel, and what it does is that it checks if a company is running Facebook or Google ads. So this is the platform. And then I just want to say shout out to Hans Decker for creating a video around this platform. So I got this tool from him. And then he also helped me set up the HTTP API integration. So if you want to learn more about this platform and you want to get help in adding this to Clay, you can also reach out to Hans. So going back to the Clay table, after finding the list of people, so what I've done next is that I push all the contacts to another table. And this is how the table looks like. So it's a list of decision makers with their contact information, and I've also used the email waterfall to get their email addresses, as you can see here, and then million verifier to validate their email addresses. And then of course we just want to make sure that the company name is correctly formatted, so use ChatGPT for that. Same goes with the job title. And then another thing that I want to share with you is that we are using Claygen, and for the LLM we're using Claygen Tingyon to find the competitors of these prospects, because we're using this for personalization. So as soon as we run all the enrichment, what we do next is that we just add the contacts to instantly, and then we are also running a parallel campaign targeting the same people on KReach. So that's basically our approach. You can also apply the same, and you can get creative when it comes to personalization. You can mention the number of products that they have online, the number of site visits, and correlate it with your offer. So you can do things like that to make sure that your emails are highly specific and relevant to this e-commerce brands. So I hope you get value. I hope you can use this as your inspiration at least. And if ever you have any questions around Play or using store leads and other data providers, let me know. Comment down below and I'll make sure to respond to it as soon as I can. Cheers.